Hello everyone, in this video we have this nice SAT math multiple choice problem. We have x to the power 10 divided by the 10th root of x is equal to 10. And these are the options you have to select the correct answer from. But before we begin, you know the deal already. Pause the video and try first. And if you're new here, consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. The very first thing you need to understand in order to solve for x in this problem is to understand the fact that square root of a is the same as a to the power 1/2. And then the b root of a is the same as a to the power 1/b. Alright? Now having known this problem could also be written as x to the power 10 over x to the power 1/10. And this is equal to 10. Now from indices, if I have a to the power b over a to the power c, this is the same as a to the power b minus c. Okay, so I can write this as x to the power 10 minus 1/10. And this is equal to 10. Alright, now mind you, we are not using a calculator, so you need to simplify the exponent first. Okay, so we have x to the power. Now I'm going to multiply this 10 by 10 and then divide by 10. So we have 10 times 10 over 10, then minus this one, which is 1/10. I did this because I want to get the same denominators so that I can easily combine them, right? Okay, and this is equal to 10, right? Now we have x to the power 10 times 10 is 100, then minus 1 over here, all divided by 10. Let me put it in brackets so that it will look nicer. And this is equal to 10. Alright, so we have x to the power 100 minus 1 is 99, then divided by 10. And this is equal to 10. Now we are looking for x, so what should we do? Well, let's go ahead and then raise each side of this equation to the power 10 over 99. Alright, 10 over 99. So that straight away this whole thing will cancel this. Now we have x is equal to 10 to the power 10 over 99. And this is our final answer. Let's go and check in the options and see whether we have this as one of the options. Okay. Now if you look through from option A, you can see we have 10 to the power 99 over 10 instead of 10 over 99. So this cannot be the answer. Alright. So let's go ahead and then manipulate this answer. This could be written as x is equal to the 99 root of 10 all to the power 10. Okay? Then if you check in the options once again, we don't have this in the options. Okay? So let's go ahead and then manipulate this once again. This could also be written as the 99 root of 10 to the power 10. And I'm pretty sure this will be in the options. Yeah, here we go, option C. And this is our answer. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video.